Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you that you can save $1,000 faster than you think, without giving up your happiness? Stay with me because today I will share 5 simple money hacks that really work in the United States. Hello, I am Buladi, and welcome to the channel. Here we help you take control of your money and build a better financial future. Today, you will learn how to save money fast, even if your income is limited. First, track your expenses. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to see where your money is going. Most people waste hundreds of dollars without realizing it. When you understand your spending, saving money becomes much easier. Second, cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Streaming services and apps you do not use should be removed. Even $20 per month can save you $240 per year. Third, cook at home and plan your meals. Eating outside is very expensive. Plan your meals for the week and shop smart. You will save money and stay healthier. Fourth, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers on every payday. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind method helps you save without thinking. Finally, sell things you do not need. Declutter your home and sell items online. Put that extra cash directly into your savings account. Start using these money hacks today. You will be surprised how fast you can save $1,000. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more money tips. Which tip will you try first? Comment below.